Underneath the front edge of the driver's side fender, we have our washer fluid reservoir. There's a 10mm bolt right here. We're going to go ahead and remove this. Using a flathead screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and loosen up our clamps on our air intake tube. On the bottom of this air intake tube, there is a sensor right here. There's a little clip on the back side of it. Just pop that off. Let's go ahead and lift up on our clamps. Go ahead and grab the air box base, slide this hose unit up and out. Down here we have our electrical connector for our windshield washer pump motor. Going to lift up on this tab, pop that connector off. Grab our reservoir, lift this up, and we're just going to slide this over. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt right here. Take out our horn. Pull out on this little connector right here and remove the electrical harness from our horn. What we're going to do is go ahead and remove this tape that is on our wrap here. Let's go ahead and peel that back and expose our wires. Using a pair of cutters, and snip off your connector. Using a pair of wire strippers, we want to go ahead and strip off a small section here. I'm going to go ahead and bend our tabs in here. Do the same for the other wire. When doing this, you want to make sure that the stripped wire is clean. And when you bend these tabs over, they make good contact. Now what we'll do is go ahead and start to tuck in our wires here into the sheathing. And we have to trim our sheathing back a little bit. Line this back up. Take a little bit of electrical tape. And we're just going to give a couple quick wraps around the end, just like the factory. You want to go ahead and source a bolt and a nut. Go ahead and install your horn. Now we can go ahead and connect our horn. Sliding our connectors onto the tabs. Let's install our bolt. We'll go ahead and tighten that down. And we'll just snug that down. When installing your airbox, you want to make sure that these tabs right here fit in with the metal tabs on the radiator support. Once that's in, we can open that up. Install your air filter. Reconnect our clamps. I'm going to take our air intake tube. Let's go ahead and line this up and work these back together. Take your connector, line that up, and hook that up to the sensor. You're all set.